Hello world, this is Shauna with DisruptApps LLC, and today I'm going to do a quick video on dual booting a system with two different hard drives. Now some of you out there are tired of Windows and are coming up on the Windows 10 end of life or end of support for like antivirus and updates and security updates. So this video is for people who are interested in running a dual boot system using two different hard drives. And on my workstation, which I've done a video series on, the X99 series, I'm running in 960 Evo M.2, which I'm running Mint, and up here I'm running 850 Evo, running Windows 7, because I like to play some older games on Windows 7. But what you could do is, if you want to, you could run, Windows 11 on this and then run Windows 10 on that, or you could run whatever flavor Linux you want on this and then whatever version Windows on that. I mean, so it's very versatile on what you can do. So you know that when you boot up a computer, if you hit F2 or F10 or F11 or escape, it just depends on your motherboard manufacturer, you can pull up the BIOS menu. Well, you can also pull up the boot menu, and for this this particular motherboard that I have, F11 is the boot menu. So I'm going to go ahead and power up my machine, and I'm going to be hitting F11 here. I'm just going to point the camera at the screen, and I'm hitting F11, and it'll take a few seconds. And here we go. Now, I know computers have made it so fast these days and we're so impatient, but I have the patience to show you to do a dual boot. But here you go. You have the dual boot screen right here, and it allows you to choose if you want to do the 850 Evo, which is the Windows, and the 960, which is the my Mint. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the Evo and pull it up. And hopefully my camera won't freak out with the fuzzing. So here we go. We've got Windows starting, booting up. Here we go. We have that. We've got that. I'm going to go ahead and put this down for a minute, type in my password. Here we go. We've got Windows 7, old school. Yay. So now I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. And once again, I'm going to reboot my computer. Hit F11. Okay, now we've got the boot menu up. And let's see here. I'm going to do my Ubuntu, which will be the Linux Mint. And it's going to take a little bit. And we've got the splash screen for the motherboard. Here we go. We've got the Linux Mint home screen on. And there we go. We've got Linux Mint here. Let me go ahead and close this screen out. And we've got Linux Mint running. And so basically, here's a quick demonstration of actually dual booting Linux Mint off the 960 Evo and having an old school 850 Evo running Windows 7. Now, you might be concerned about the internet for the Windows 7 being out of support, and in my case, the motherboard doesn't have the updated drivers for Windows 7. So I'm not connected to the internet. And if you want to, you can just either simply disable your Wi-Fi on the motherboard, or unplug the cable, because I always run a hard cable or Ethernet cable, connect to the Ethernet port, or you can just disable the port in your network settings if you're running like XP or Windows 7 or soon to be Windows 10. But yeah, this is just a quick demo video of the possibilities that await you if you just do a little bit of research and learning about how to tinker with computers. And so yeah. Well, once again, this is Shauna with DisruptApps LLC, and I look forward to doing more tech videos for you, the end user. Bye-bye.